Our off-road tire measurements are 235/75 R15, and the normal tire measurements are 175/80 R33D. Warning flashing lights! Warning flashing lights! Tungsten inert gas, TIG welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, is an arc welding process that produces the weld with a non-consumable tungsten electrode. It's also well known for being the hardest kind of welding to learn, mainly because of the coordination between moving the torch and feeding the rod simultaneously. This is our off-road fender. The off-road fenders are made from aluminum and is welded together. This is our normal fender. It is nothing special, but it does great at its job. We use a 2,500-pound axle paired with a leaf spring suspension for our 14-foot units like the BH, FL, and the FD. We use a 3,500-pound axle paired with a leaf spring suspension for our 16-plus foot units like the RB and the Falcon. So the main difference on the off-road is a stronger axle and an underslung leaf spring suspension, the different wheel wells, bigger tires with a more aggressive tread. And don't forget the off-road stairs have 2 steps and the normal Rove has 1 step.